Prepare for takeoff, everyone! In today's episode, let's take an in-depth look at the game-changing impact of the Elroy Air Chaparral on autonomous cargo transport. Elroy Air has carved a niche in air logistics by pursuing bold innovations, overcoming significant challenges, and establishing itself as a pioneer in the industry. With the Chaparral, a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing or eVTOL aircraft, the company is offering efficient and sustainable solutions for remote shipments while optimizing supply chain logistics. Watch until the end of this video for the top 5 reasons why the Chaparral is setting the stage for the future of air cargo. If you're new here, I'm Roxanne, and you're watching Aviation Federation, your source of exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Reason 1. Autonomous delivery. The Elroy Air Chaparral sets a new benchmark in logistics with its fully autonomous flight system, designed to handle the most challenging delivery scenarios with minimal human intervention. By leveraging advanced sensor arrays including light detection and ranging, or LiDAR radar, coupled with a subtle AI-based flight algorithms, the Chaparral ensures uninterrupted navigation through complex airspaces. This capability allows it to perform precise landings and departures even in austere environments, an essential feature for industries requiring dependable supply chain solutions in hard-to-reach locations, such as oil rigs, disaster zones, or rural medical outposts. This autonomy translates to significant cost savings and operational efficiency for businesses, eliminating the need for onboard pilots and reducing the dependency on traditional infrastructure such as airstrips. The Chaparral democratizes access to fast cargo delivery. Its ability to operate independently in varying weather conditions also provides a reliability edge, making it a valuable asset for time-sensitive missions. The system stands as a prime example of how breakthrough technology can be effectively applied to solve real-world challenges in modern aviation logistics. Reason 2. Sustainable logistics. In an era when sustainability is no longer optional, the Chaparral's hybrid electric propulsion system addresses a critical need for greener transportation. Unlike fully fossil-fueled aircraft, its dual-mode operation, using electric motors for primary lift and a fuel-based generator for extended range, reduces overall emissions while maintaining stunning performance. However, the Chaparral doesn't aim to eliminate carbon footprints entirely. Instead, it optimizes fuel consumption to achieve meaningful reductions. For companies looking to align with environmental mandates or improve their ESG, environmental, social, and governance ratings, the Chaparral provides a tangible pathway. By reducing carbon footprint without compromising payload or range, it helps pave the way for a logistics sector less reliant on carbon-heavy technologies. Reason 3. Industry versatility. The Chaparral's modular design makes it adaptable to a diverse array of industries, from e-commerce giants to humanitarian missions. Its payload capacity of 300 pounds allows it to carry supplies, spare parts, or even temperature-sensitive items like medicines, offering solutions tailored to each industry's needs. The ability to deploy and retrieve cargo pods autonomously further simplifies the logistics chain, reducing turnaround times and labor costs. Beyond commercial uses, the Chaparral is becoming an indispensable tool for disaster relief operations. When traditional infrastructure is destroyed or inaccessible, this aircraft can deliver life-saving supplies swiftly and efficiently. Its robust design ensures reliability in adverse conditions, making it an ideal choice for organizations like emergency response agencies and NGOs. The Chaparral's adaptability cements its role as a multifaceted solution in the evolving logistics landscape. Reason 4. Cutting-edge specifications. Built to exacting standards, this aircraft features unique dimensions and performance capabilities that position it as a leader in the autonomous aviation field. Measuring 19.3 feet or 5.88 meters in length, with a wingspan of 26.3 feet or 8.01 meters, it strikes a balance between compactness and operational efficiency. Its generous cargo bay, spanning 8 feet and 21 inches or 2.97 meters in width and 16 inches or 0.41 meters in height, can accommodate various payloads with ease, making it a practical option for industries ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. Powered by 12 electric motors and a hybrid generator, the Chaparral cruises at speeds of up to 125 knots or 143 miles per hour, with a range of 261 nautical miles or 483 kilometers. Despite its robust maximum takeoff weight of 1,215 pounds or 551 kilograms, the aircraft retains a payload capacity of 300 pounds or 136 kilograms, showcasing its incredible payload-to-weight ratio. Before we look at the number 1 spot, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and show your support with a thumbs up and a short comment if you enjoyed this video. Reason 5. Transformative Impact. Ultimately, the Chaparral disrupts conventional supply chain models by enabling direct deliveries from source to destination, removing the dependency on conventional hubs or intermediaries. Its ability to bypass congested urban routes or inefficient ground transportation guarantees faster delivery times and reduced logistical bottlenecks. This paradigm shift entitles businesses to reimagine distribution models, prioritizing flexibility and speed over static infrastructure. Its deployment capabilities in underserved areas expand the reach of supply chains globally. Whether it's delivering essential goods to isolated islands or providing last-mile connectivity in sprawling urban centers, the Chaparral breaks geographical barriers. As companies seek to future-proof their operations against evolving demands, the Chaparral offers a scalable, reliable, and forward-thinking solution. Its transformative impact accentuates the growing relevance of autonomous aircraft in the transportation and logistics industries. The Elroy Air's Chaparral combines technology and strong performance, giving businesses a clear advantage, all for a reported starting price of $2 million. What do you think of the Chaparral? Isn't it one of the most interesting and innovative cargo aircraft in recent years? Are there specific industries or applications where you think this autonomous aircraft could make the biggest difference? Do you know of other unique aircraft that you'd like us to review next? If you enjoyed this episode and found it both entertaining and insightful, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our next featured aircraft. We'll see you again in our next episode. Fly safe!